Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter 2010 Subaru Forester. Open the glove box and lower it fully to access the filter cover, then remove the glove box stops carefully. Check the owner manual for the exact filter part number and orientation. Compare the old filter to the new one and note airflow direction markings. Keep a flashlight handy to inspect the housing for debris and obstructions before inserting the replacement filter. Start by lowering the glove box fully and locating the rectangular filter housing behind it. Unclip the filter cover carefully, taking care not to snap the plastic tabs, and slide the old filter out slowly so debris stays contained. Inspect the housing for leaves, dust, or small critters, and vacuum if necessary to ensure a clean seating surface. Note the airflow arrow on the filter to match orientation when installing the new element. Hey everyone! If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more easy DIY videos. Quick recommendation: grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great while you swap the filter. It's tiny but very effective at masking odors. I like to hang one after replacing the filter for a fresh driving experience. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Take the new cabin filter and align the airflow arrow toward the cabin opening before sliding it into the housing. Snap the filter cover back into place, confirming each clip seats securely without bending tabs, then lift the glove box and reattach the stops you removed earlier. Run the blower on high for a few seconds to confirm airflow and listen for any unusual noises. Dispose of the old filter and tidy your workspace before a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.